Do you have a Cummins 6.7 turbo diesel in your truck? If you do, this is something you're going to need to look out for. This is a 2017, only 37,000 miles on this truck, and unfortunately the turbo has failed. The vanes in the turbo are controlled by this actuator here, and this actuator has a little gear in here, and this controls the vanes with this arm. And the vanes are sticking. You can see how much effort that takes to move the vanes. That will cause a lack of power, check engine lights, a whole bunch of stuff. This is the most common turbo we see fail on the diesel trucks. And at 37,000 miles, if you ask me, that's pretty bad.